Okay guys, in this question list 1 have a boolean function and list 2 given its inverse boolean function. So we need to match from list 1 to list 2 and write our answer from this given codes here. So let's start with option A. First, to get a inverse of any boolean function, first we need to make a k-map. So here option A is given in sum of product form. So we will make 3 variable k-map. So it has 3 variables A, B and C, where I choose A as a MSB and C as a LSB, and cell numberings are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And in SOP form we use a bar on our variable whenever variable take 0 value, and we use a normal form of variable when variable take 1 value. Now for BC, for AB we need to put 1 at now for AB, A is a common in second row and B is common in third column and fourth column, so we need to put 1 at 6 and 7 cell. For BC is common in BC is common in third column, so we need to put 1 at third cell and 7 cell. We already have 1 at 7 cell, so we need to put 1 only at third cell. Now for CA, we need to put 1 at A is common in second row and C is common in second column and third column, so we already have 1 at 7th cell. We need to put 1 at 5th cell. For ABC, we need to put 1 at 7 cell, which we already have. Now to get the inverse of this function, we make same k-map and we put 1 where in cells when we don't have 1 right now. So we don't have 1 at 0th cell, so we put 1 at 0th cell. We don't have 1 at first cell, so we put 1 at first cell. We don't have 1 at second cell, so we put 1 at second cell, and we put 1 at fourth cell because we don't have 1 at. Now we will, after minimizing this k-map, we will get inverse of our option A. Now here we will make first pair with cell number 0 and cell number 1, which will be minimized as we have a common A bar here and we have a common B bar in first and second column, so it will be minimized as A bar, B bar. Now for second pair we will make with 0 and fourth cell, so we have a common is B bar, C bar term, so it will be minimized as a B bar, C bar. And for third pair we will make from 0 cell and second cell, and it will be minimized as A bar is common here and here it is common is C bar, so A bar, C bar. So inverse of this function will be A bar, B bar plus B bar, C bar plus A bar, C bar. Now for option B, we need to find AB. For AB, A is common in second row and B is common in third column and fourth column, so we need to put 1 at 6 and 7 position. For A bar B, A bar is common in first row and B bar is common in first column and second column, so we need to put 1 at 0th cell and 1 cell. And for C bar, we need to put 1 C bar common is in fourth column and first column, so we need to put 1 at all 4 cells. So we already have 2 ones at 0 and 6, so we need to put 1 at second cell and fourth cell. Now to get a inverse of this function, we will make same k-map again, 3 variable, and we put a 1 where in cells which we don't have 1 right now, so we put a 1 at third cell and fifth cell, and we will minimize. Here we see we cannot make any pair or any quad here, so individual one will be minimized here. So this one will become is A bar, B, C, and this one will be A, B bar, C. So if we take common C out here, A bar, A plus, here we get A bar, B, C plus A, B bar, C. If we take C common out from this two term, then we will get A, B bar plus A bar, B, which will be A XOR B. So we will get in small, so inverse of this function is in small bracket A XOR B and into C. Now for option C here, A plus BC, it is also given in sum of product form, so we will use sum of product form like previous sum of product from k-map here. So for A is common in second row, so we will need to put 1 in all 4 cells in second row. Now for BC, it is common in third column, so we need to put 1 at third cell and 7 cell. We already have 1 at 7 cell. Now we will make another K-map and put 1 at in cell position which don't have 1. So we don't have 1 at 0th cell, first cell and second cell, so we will put 1 at 0th cell, first cell and second cell. Now we will make first pair with 0 and first cell, which will be minimized as a bar is common in this first row and B bar is common, so it will be minimized as a bar, B bar. And for second pair, which will be made with 0th cell and second cell, which will be minimized as a bar is common and C bar is common, so A bar, C bar. So inverse of this function will be A bar if A bar, B bar plus A bar, C bar. So if we can take A bar common out from both of the terms, so inverse of this function will be A bar in small bracket B bar plus C bar. Now for D option, it is given in POS form, means product of sum form, so we will use product of sum K-map here. In product of sum convention, we use a normal form of our variable whenever it is given take 0 value, and we use a bar over our variable when variable take a 1 value, and we use a OR operation here. So 0 0 will become B plus C, 0 1 will become B plus C bar, 1 1 become B bar plus C bar, and 1 0 become B bar plus C. So here first next term is A bar plus B bar plus C bar, so A bar is here, B bar plus C bar, so we need to put 0 at 7 cell. Now second next term is A plus B bar plus C bar, so A is common in first row and B bar plus C bar, so we need to put 0 at third position, and in POS we use a 0 instead of 1. And in A, now third next term is A bar plus B bar plus C bar, so A bar here, B bar plus C bar, B bar, so we need to put 0 at 6 cell position. Now we will make another POS K-map and we will put 0 at all position, which we in cells we don't have 0 right now, so we don't have 0 at 0th cell, first cell, second cell, fourth cell and fifth cell, so we will put 0 at all this position. Now here we can make a first is a quad of 0, first, fourth and fifth cell, so it will be minimized as a B is common in first column and second column, so it will be minimized as a B, and second pair will be 0th cell and second cell, so it will be minimized as a into A plus, it has a common fourth column and first column has a common C, so it will be minimized as a plus C. So inverse of this function will be B into small bracket A plus C. Now here we see for option A, it is from list 1, option A will be matched with second option of list 2, and option B will be matched with third option of here list 2. Option C will be of list 1 will be matched with first option of list 2, and option D will be matched. Now we only left with fourth option in list 2, so will be matched with fourth option. Now let's minimize our fourth option because it is not given as a B into A plus C here. So if we take C common from first and second term, now if we take a AB common from first and third term, so we will get AB in small bracket C plus C bar. So C plus C bar will be always be 1 in Boolean algebra, so we will end up with AB plus A bar BC. So if we take A B common from these two terms, so we will be A plus A bar C. Now here A bar is a redundant term, so we will eliminate that, so we will get B into A plus C, which is our inverse function of option D here. So right answer of this question is option B here.